of pellet, 3 fake casters on basic hair rig, and put that out there to see if that'll entice a fish. As 1 second, that's what I had on there before. Ronnie rig, spinner rig, sail bottom bait, pink piece of corn. So yeah, that's what I had on there before for the first couple of hours, and nothing's happened. So I thought I'd give it a little change and see if that helps or if that makes a difference. But hopefully, fingers crossed, guys and girls, we can winkle one out of here. I've seen plenty right over at the far end of that lake over there, the lake over there on the other lilies. I've seen 2 bosh out of there. I've seen a couple go in and out of the lilies, more my middle of the lake. I think I'm pretty much like, yeah, I'd say I'm pretty much middle of the lake. But as of yet, nothing to report.